Alright, today I'm going to show you how to boil eggs on microwave. So you know that basically when you try to boil eggs on microwave, it's going to blow out because of the pressure of the eggs. So when you put it in the microwave, it's going to blow out definitely. So what you have to do, this is I invented anyway. So what you have to do before you put it in the microwave, you just get water onto a container like halfway of the egg, and then before you put it in the microwave, so you got a little bit break like this. You know what I mean? So okay, then leave it there. And this one also I'm gonna break. Like this, and then leave it there. So then you're gonna put this like 2 minutes first. Hold on. So you're gonna put it in there, set it for 2 minutes. Actually, not 2 minutes. First, you put it 1 minute, and then let it boil 1 minute. So this is kind of physics, you know. So everything is physics. Most of the things on this world is physics. Because before you boil the eggs, when you put it in the microwave without breaking, it's gonna blow out because of the pressure of the eggs. Now it's gonna cook 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm gonna take it out, and then you gotta break a little bit more. Keep in mind 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute is gone. Take it out. So what's happened now? See, it came out a little bit, right? That means it was about to blow out, but it didn't blow out because I break it. I break the eggs. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna break a little bit more, and then put it back. Set it for another minute. So altogether it's gonna be 2 minutes. Let's see after 2 minutes what's gonna happen. This is good for when you're in a rush, you don't have time. So it's like 3 minutes. The egg's gonna be done in microwave. So it's not gonna blow out. See, if I didn't break the eggs, it would have been blow out right now. Okay, the 1 minute, the 2 minutes. So now altogether 2 minutes gone. See what happened here? See this? So it came out, right? Because I break the eggs, so it did not blow out. So I'm gonna break a little bit more. Gotta keep in mind first of all, put 1 minute, then take it out and break it a little bit more, and then put it in another minute and take out the eggs, and then break a little bit more. And this is the final minute I'm gonna put. So 1 minute, that means altogether it's 3 minutes. Actually, 3 minutes. I'm gonna stop in 30 seconds. I want to see what's going on. See, it's already boiled now. See, some came out a little bit, right? And then put it back. Let it boil the rest of the 30 seconds. Alright, 3 minutes gone. See what happened? There you go. It's done. And what I'm gonna do, take out the hot water, put some cold water so I can peel off. Alright. See some noise also. There you go. Hold on a second. There you go. I'm peeling off. Here comes the egg. I like the eggs to be cooked well done. It's like half boiled. There you go. It's good, right? Alright guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. It's Food and Travel. Have a nice day.